Still Wednesday, the 15th of March. Up here at my little building, just piddling. My paint dried on my chop saw rolling cart. So it's in its storage spot, I do believe, for a bunch of scrap material. I think it turned out damn good myself. I got my long handle tool wall hanging system, came in from Amazon. That was one of the $17. There's 3 sections there, and another section over here for my corn straw broom and big dustpan. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. Also got 6 little J hooks. These little things here. I think 6 of them was like $4.89. So I used 2 for my weed whacker. Used 2 more to get my circulating fan up off the floor. Try and get rid of all the trip hazards and such. Used 1 on my blower wand, on my backpack blower. Kind of keep it from being in the bind all the time when it's hanging and cracking the plastic. Used 1 to hang my hard hat over there by the door. When I go to the scrapyard to find some steel to play with, you have to wear a hard hat. I've had that one for decades. Cleaned up all my cords, hung them up. Yeah, building looking pretty damn good. Ladder rack, I don't know. I think I'm about done with that blue ladder. It can go into the shipping container at this point and get it out of the building. I keep my little metal chair, my little step stool. It's really all I need. And if I need my big blue ladder, just go get it out of the container. Like I said, this wall hanging system for long handle stuff. One thing on there is a 12-pound sledgehammer. It's supporting it just fine. Looks kind of flimsy, but hey, it's working. The screws that came with it, they're going in the trash. They're Chinese screws to begin with. You try to screw them into wood, all they do is strip out. So that's just garbage. And here it is. Wallman, cute name. Mop and broom holder. There's a part number for Amazon. Chinese. There it is. Hey, for the money, it's good enough. I like my little table. Again, I'm not a prideful man, but damn, there's days I do real damn good work. Making a list of things I need up here. A damn pencil sharpener. I ain't got one. And I sure enough need one. Walmart. And like I said, my bandsaw. Y'all saw that video. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let's see what else. Huh? Real pretty day. Kind of airish. And it's going to cool off tomorrow. They're saying chance of very strong thunderstorms. I'm glad I got all my herbicide sprayed. Got a real good color change. So, means I got a real good kill this time. My little bird's out there, just sitting on her nest. I don't see bird number 2. He's probably out there somewhere. You gotta look for those things. They're hard to see. I got one more door frame left to make another table out of some sort if I want to. I got plenty of this heavy wall pipe. I got plenty of my fence stay material. That's cheap. I can go to the big box store and get more of that. But yeah, just piddling, enjoying life. guess that's what it's all about. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.